Welcome to the Prechar AI Hub. Today, we are stepping into the ring with two heavyweights in the world of workflow automation, Google's Opal and n8n. Now, they might look kind of similar on the surface, but trust me, by the end of this, you'll see they're playing two completely different games. So you look at these tools and you think, okay, visual workflows, making my life easier. I get it. But underneath the hood, they're built on philosophies that are worlds apart. We're going to clear up all that confusion, and you'll know exactly which one is the right fit for you.
To really get to the heart of the difference, we're going to use one super simple analogy that's going to make everything just click. Let's call it a tale of two kitchens.
First up, Google Opal. Think of Opal as the ultimate smart kitchen appliance. Seriously, you walk up to it and just say, "Make me a pizza." You don't have to knead the dough, you don't preheat the oven, nothing. The appliance handles everything behind the scenes, and then, poof, a finished pizza appears. It's incredibly fast and easy, but the trade-off is pretty obvious, right? You give up all control over the recipe.
Now, let's talk about n8n. It's the complete opposite. It's like someone handed you the keys to a full-blown professional chef's kitchen. You've got all the best tools, a powerful oven, a high-end mixer, literally everything you could ever need. But here's the thing. You are the chef. You have to connect each tool, you have to configure every single step, and you build that recipe from scratch. The reward for all that work? Total control and a perfectly customized result.
Okay, so the kitchen analogy is a great start, but talk is cheap, right? Let's actually put it to the test. We're going to build a simple but pretty powerful workflow to see how each of these tools handles a real-world task.
Here's our goal. Now, for Opal, this sentence isn't just the goal, it's pretty much the entire instruction. You just state what you want in plain English, and you let it get to work.
And this is the most crucial point to understand about Opal. You just state your goal. The AI takes that one command and automatically builds the form for you. It connects the AI model, and it sets up the email trigger. You don't touch a single technical connection. You just get the finished app. It's pretty wild.
With n8n, however, the process is completely manual. You start with a totally blank canvas. You, the chef, have to drag in a form node. Then you have to connect that to an AI node. Then connect that to your CRM node. And then finally connect it to an email node. You are building the logic piece by piece from the ground up.
Hey, just a quick pause. If this breakdown is helping things make sense for you, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We release explainers like this all the time to help you master these kinds of complex tools and ideas.
All right, we've seen the theory and we've walked through a practical example. Now let's put them head-to-head and really lock in these key differences for good.
This slide right here is the core of it all. Opal is AI first. It uses artificial intelligence to figure out what you want. And n8n is logic first. It basically waits for you to define the exact flow of information. That is the real difference. It's intuition versus instruction.
And all of this maps back to who these tools are actually for. Opal? It's designed for the person with a good idea who just wants to build something fast without getting bogged down in the technical details. n8n, on the other hand, is built for a more technical user, maybe a developer or an operations pro, someone who needs absolute granular control over every single step.
So this really brings us to the fundamental trade-off, doesn't it? With Opal, you get incredible speed. Anyone can build a working app in just minutes. With n8n, you're trading that instant simplicity for just immense power and the ability to customize absolutely everything.
So we've looked at the philosophies, we've walked through the examples, we've broken down the core differences. The only question left is, which one of these kitchens is the right one for you?
So let's make it simple. You should choose Opal, the smart appliance, if your number one priority is speed. If you're just prototyping an idea and you just want to see if it works, or if you simply value getting a finished result over fiddling with all the settings, Opal is going to be your best friend.
But you should choose n8n, the professional kitchen, if what you're building is a mission-critical, really complex business process, if you need a solution that is super customized to integrate with very specific systems, and if you're the kind of person who demands absolute control over every single step of the workflow, well then n8n is where all the power is.
Ultimately, it all comes down to this one simple question. Are you looking for a smart appliance to just deliver a finished meal quickly and reliably? Or are you ready to step into the kitchen, roll up your sleeves, and be the chef who crafts that perfect dish entirely from scratch? Your answer to that question tells you everything you need to know. For more explainers that break down complex tech like this, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Thank you for viewing this video.